A happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy.
There's a look that you get in your eye when you decide what you want. A sparkle and a smirk, a subtle little nod. You have tales I'll never tell you about, uniquely microscopic motions. I'm learning how to read, watching how you ripple from every drop in the ocean, and how the waves wash over me. See, sitting right behind you the first time that we met, and a dog was barking up a storm, and the sun was fighting with the clouds. It rained before we left, and everyone kept honking on their horn. And we tossed a couple coins near the couple by the fountain where we found them, a quarter worn from '84. Watching how it rippled when it broke right through the surface, as you asked if maybe we could throw some more. Detail.